In this video, we are going to show you how to create an EQ Bank online banking account on your PC. EQ Bank is a fully digital bank based in Canada, offering convenient and secure banking services online. To begin, open any web browser on your computer. In this tutorial, we'll be using Google Chrome. Go to the search bar and type www.eqbank.ca and press enter. This will take you to EQ Bank's official website. Once you're on the homepage, you can change the website language to French by clicking on the FR option at the top right. To create an account, click the Create an Account button in the top right corner. To register, you must be a Canadian citizen and meet the age of majority. Start by entering your first name, last name, and email address. After reviewing the privacy agreement, click Continue. Check your email inbox for a passcode sent by EQ Bank. Copy the code and paste it on the website to verify your email. Then, enter your mobile phone number, check the box confirming it's your trusted device, and click Send Passcode. Enter the code received via SMS to verify your number. Next, complete your personal details, including your address, date of birth, social insurance number, and verify your ID. Finally, create a password, accept the terms and conditions, and your EQ Bank account will be ready. Thank you for watching.